go outside. Kasi bibili kami ng ice cream ni Franco. So you want ice cream, Franco? Hold mommy's hand. Okay, no running. No running, no running. No running. So, what do you want? Tell mommy.
Chocolate.
Ice cream?
Yeah.
We're here at the Rotary Park. So, food ice cream. So, this is the cake.
You want chocolate?
Yeah. I want the large sundae. I want the large sundae.
2 large sundae chocolate.
Pardon?
Sundae large
Yep.
chocolate 2.
2? Okay.
Sa'yo.
Ano? Large vanilla regular cone.
And a large.
Large regular cone. Yeah, vanilla. Yeah. Okay.
Anything else?
Yeah, that's
That's
everything.
everything. So this is the Rotary Park.
Yeah, and then we want to see how the ice cream's made.
They have the machine. So hot. Yeah. So hot. This is the popular ice cream stand here. Ice cream here in Whitehorse. What? Do you like the ice cream? Oh, mommy. No, no going there. No going there. It's not. You're not allowed there. No going there. No, we're not allowed there. Oh man, so big. So big. So big. Franco, so big. Lang tayo dyan sa dalawa.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Mag-walking na muna tayo. Walking trail. Come on, let's go. Let's walk.
That's even bigger than.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You're okay, Franco. You're okay, Franco. You go there, Franco. Franco, let's come. Hi. Franco, let's go. Yeah. Come here. Come here. You want to sit down there? Oh, yan na.
Good
Here.
look it.
Simple lang, Caleb. Are you hurt?
I am hurt.
Where?
Here and there. Go Power Ranger. Can I have? This is a baby. I'm not a baby. I'm baby John. Guys, let's get into the car. Get into the car. Mommy, can I have? Mommy, can I have? Please.
Later. Go there.
I know. Now can I? Wait, sit.
Ito yung mga chocolate guys. Yan o. Yun sila. Did you go there? Oh, chocolate. Yung chocolate guys. This one almonds. Almonds chocolate. Dalawa. And then this is $1. Oh, it's Canada Day. Malapit na kasi Canada Day. Ay, yung bananas.
Follow me.
Guys, ito yung mga kulay ng mga kulay. Ito yung mga kulay. Kamatis, buti tayo bibili.
Oh, I want it. Taco. Taco.
So, ito yung mga nuts.
This one? This one?
Origami.
This one?
Yeah. No.
This one?
No, I don't want it. Taco wants this one.
This one?
What do you want?
Ano chips? Chips pala gusto mo eh. Mahal.
Banana ka na lang.
Naman na. Ito yung mga pasta guys. Mga frozen food. $10. Chicken nuggets for the kids. Pancit battle pato. And guys, $16 na yun. No. We have already chocolate there. Daddy pang almusal. Lagi tayo nag-almusal. Breakfast pork sausage.
Go to there. Hey,
Caleb, enough. Hindi.
$4.
What's that? What is that?
I want chips. You already have chips.
Stay here.
Yeah.
Here. The guys
Chicken
yung mga
strips,
ano,
chicken
chicken strips.
I want.
$10 chicken strips. We have already chicken strips sa bahay.
I'm ready.
And then, mga no-name. Medyo mura. What is that?
Chocolate. 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 Chocolate.
chicken.
Continues to go up. You have to.
What's this? And this one is... I don't know what the... Pork liver. Pork liver. $10. Pork liver. Get this pork liver. One breakfast pork sausage. Nabibili ka. Ito ko yung sausage na to. Ang kano to? Hello.
Lead me the way to the place.
Pork sausage. Ito na lang. Isa dito. Maliit.
That's wrong. I left.
Chicken. Ito yung mga binibili ng 35, 5 kilos na. Yun yung mga nasa box. Daddy, dito sa mga nakabox, di ka nakita. 5 kilos. 5 kilos. Fino
Leg.
roll.
Chicken leg. Lapit.
Leg back. Leg back attach. Leg back attach.
So, kuha pa tayo isa.
Hey,
para
that's
meron-
chocolate.
Ito na lang yung pamili natin. So,
Oo.
leg tapos. Kuha tayo yung ano, yung margarine.
Margarine ubus na pala. C28. May lumpia wrapper pa tayo.
Ito lang, may hahalo ko sa pansit.
Oo nga. Oo. Bili na tayong lumpia. Hanap muna ako ng lumpia.
Just have
Hanap tayo ng lumpia. Second hand lumpia. Hanap tayo ng lumpia guys. Lumpia. Oh, vegetable. Ito naman, vegetable lumpia. Vegetable and vegetable and vegetable. Ito vegetable lang. Maganda yung vegetable and beef. So, ito na bilhin natin. Vegetable and beef. Yeah, okay. And then, the cheese. Mozzarella cheese. Cheddar. Ito na. Hindi ko na natingnan. Parang 17. Ganun.
17? Bigyan mo naman.
Yung ham natin wala na.
Banana chips, oh.
Ito naman yung mga Filipino store. Ito yung gata namin dito. Nakalata. Mga gata. Yan, may Ovaltine, chocolate. Okay. Nakakuha ka na. Toothpaste bumili.
Pastel pa na lang. Ay, wala.
Daming stock ngayon ah. Kita ka ng patis? Wala. Ano sa ilalim? Toyo to, walang patis. May Mang Tomas. KFC ketchup.
Ayun, sa
Mamasitas.
kabila. Hello.
International store.
Layo.
Hindi mo abot?
I never actually tried.
Ayun, oh.
Tungtong ka dun oh.
Ano, baka bumagsak pa yan.
Ako na lang, medyo magaan-gaan pa ako.
Nice, pati mo na lang nito. Oh, fishes.
Don't like the sponge.
Come here, come here, come here, come here. Ano naman yung mga...
S'mores.
Gusto ko. Meron ito mga ganun. Chips, may mga... We still have there. Oh, here. Just ask Daddy this one. Yan yung mga ano. Oreo or this one? Oreo.
Yes.
Wait lang, I will ask Daddy if we'll allow this. Just this one. Where's Daddy?
I don't know.
This is $10 for 10 pieces. Like, ito yung mga sabon.
Soap in our bathroom.
Yeah, there's a lot of soap. That's why I just showed. I'll just show them.
Oh.
Did you see Daddy?
No. I didn't see Daddy anyway. Come on, let's go.
Naman yung other side, mga
Can we have
Ito yung
this,
mga-
Daddy?
Dito naman tayo sa pharmacy section. Yan yung dati, kaso hindi nga nila iniinom yung...
Hindi alangan ako kung bibilin ito.
Kailangan yung gusto na nila. Ano?
Oh, red. Oh, I want red.
You want red? What's that?
White cakes.
Oh, syempre. May muna tayo sa salamiwa. Ang salamin.
I wish there was a play place here.
Flowers. Ano yung babae ng mga
I
kanina?
want to switch one of the chocolates. I never had these.
Umaya na ako. Unahin ko muna.
Ang dami na
Here
naman
we
kinuha.
go.
Pati madami na tayong
Donkey Kong.
meron pa tayong isang baboy dun, Bo. Gagawin ko sana yung ano, yung ginawa mo na merong atay.
May apay.
Yung may atay.
I am the funny not right Colin, no! No.
Ayun na siya. Magbabayad na kami. Namin alam sa
Hold on to my bed. Mama! Hold on to my bed.
Magkano lahat mo? Ano nga pambili? Akanin ba yung suit? Ano mo? 177. Bilis ng pera.
I said no, I'm not.
So here in Superstore. Wait lang. Dun sa kabila. Wait lang, tigil muna kayo. So yun yung Superstore. Yan, tapos na kami. Bye. So uwi na kami sa aming house.